What's up guys, this is your man gidkay once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can extend your backdrops in Photoshop. So you can see this image right on our screen. The backdrop or the background is not up to the edges, and you can see the light, the softbox, the reflector and other things in the image, whereby we want this to fill up everywhere. So what we are going to do is you're going to have to duplicate our background by doing that with Ctrl+J, and then this time around you're going to, I'm not using the latest versions of Photoshop. I know generative fill can do a great job, but for those who don't have that, or to adapt to you what you know, you're going to use the content away. Yeah, so I'm going to go for my polygonal lasso 2, polygonal lasso 2, and then we select where we want to apply that. So click here once, then we make sure the things we want it out of the image will be in that selection. So we quickly do that. When it gets to here, there's a tricky part of it. So let's see if we can curve this out. Later we are going to work on it. So we do this, do that, and then we are good. And then the next thing we have to do is right click and select fill, and then we make sure it's on content aware, make sure color adaptation is on, and then leave everything to be the same and click on OK, and then wait for it to load up. So let's done. Yeah, all right, so content aware did a good job, although, but it still left some work for us to do. Yeah, so let me deselect this by using Ctrl+D, and then we are going to take off this and some other parts, unwanted part of the image. So I'm going to go for my patch 2, come here and then right click and select your patch 2, and I'm going to select this hair over here and move it to a part where there's nothing sort of that. Yes, so this is okay. And then the ground over here, so I could see something. Yeah, and then now you have to fix this aspect. Select all this and then drag it to a cleaner part. Yes, so we are getting to the bottom of this. When it gets here, all you have to do is let me try and fix some things over here before. Okay, so with this you can create a new layer, and then you go in for your clone stamp 2, and with this what you're going to do is you have to make sure these are your settings correctly, current and below, because you are picking details from the layer 1. So you hold on your alt, select a cleaner part or where you want to apply it, and then you just paint over that aspect. So this is where we want to cover up. Yeah, I want to do that quickly. So you can take your time. This is pretty messed up, but if you are using the newest versions of Photoshop, this wouldn't be a headache to you. Yes, because generative fill will do the work for you, the AI and stuff. But for those who don't have and still depending on content aware, this is how you can deal with something like this. Yeah, and then we are left with wrinkles, but we are going to treat that in a different video. So let's fix this till we see it's gone. Yeah, so if you make a mistake, all you have to do to redo it is press on backspace on your keyboard. Yes, that is going to take it off. And see what it brought us again. So you see how content aware can be stressful. So let's deselect it and then let's go over it again. So go for the patch 2. I think this works. Yeah. So this is how we've transformed the image from looking, let me group this, from looking like this to this, like this to this. Yeah. So thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video, and catch us on another educative video like this. And if you know this technique, leave it in the comment section below. If this is new to you too, you can leave it in the comment section below. And also, if you want us to further more or go or dive more into this tutorial, also leave a comment, yes, whereby we are going to smoothen out the background and all that. So thanks once again for staying tuned, and this is your man Gid K, and I'm out.